So welcome to Leetcode 135 Candy. So there are n children standing in a line, and each child is assigned a rating value given an integer array ratings. Giving candies to these children, but there are two requirements. Each child must have at least one candy, and children with a higher rating get more candies than their neighbors. So in this case, ratings 102, you're gonna have 212 candies to fulfill the two requirements. Now in this one requirement here, 122, the candies can be 121. The third child gets one candy because everyone needs at least one. And the reason why, when the ratings are equal, then there is no requirement to allocate more candies to either child. So because here the requirement very explicitly states higher rating gets more candies, but if they are equal, then you can have an equal number of candy. You can have one child have more candies than the other, and it doesn't have to be equal. So with that in mind, let's do this question. So we're gonna create a results array, and what we're gonna do is we're going to just push 1, and we're gonna console.log result first. Now this is not going to be correct, but it just helps us check that we have the array. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna loop from left to right, so basically the same thing again. And what we're gonna do is we're going to check if the rating for the succeeding position in the ratings array is greater, and if it is, then we're going to increment that by 1. Yeah. So after the first pass, it should be 112 is correct, and for this it becomes 121. And the next thing we need to do is we need to loop backwards and check if the ratings of I minus 1 is bigger than ratings of I, and basically if it is, then we need to set ratings of I minus 1 to math.max, press result I minus 1 and result I. Basically the idea is that, wait, hang on. Yeah, wait, plus 1. So basically if you have a situation like this, and in the first pass it becomes 112. Now in this pass you find, oh, ratings of at position 0 is bigger than ratings of this, so you will just either set it to whichever is the maximum, and if this one is already bigger than this, then you don't do anything. But if it's not bigger, then you just take the result of the position before that current result and increment it by 1. So let's run it again. Yeah, but the standard out is wrong. Give me a sec. Result I minus 1. Wait, hang on. if ratings of I minus 1, wait, ratings of length I minus 1, I greater than or equals to 0. I think this loop may not have been written correctly. Yeah. That was quite bad. So erase some JavaScript because I don't want to write another for loop. There's really no way. Well, this is quite bad, but let's try this. I can't possibly write 4 different for loops for this, right? Wait, hang on. What was it? Oh, you needed a function. Oh, maybe this is good. Right, sounds about right. Yeah, thanks so much, man. Have a good day. See you. Bye.